In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add MetaTrader 5 to IC Markets. If you want to connect MetaTrader 5 to IC Markets, you will first need to create an account with IC Markets. And then once you have signed into your IC Markets account, you will just click on Accounts from the left-hand side here. Once you click on the Accounts section, you will immediately see MT5, MetaTrader, and also MT4. So right here, if you want to add an MT5 account, you will click on Open New Demo Account. It is going to ask you for the account type. I'm going to leave it as raw spread, the currency, what leverage you want, and the initial deposit here. I will set this to 3,000 and then click on Proceed. Once you do this, this is going to open up an account with MetaTrader 5 on IC Markets, and you can use it to trade and simulate trades. It might take a little bit of time for this to load, so we are just going to be patient here. So after a bit of time, you will have added your MetaTrader 5 account here into IC Markets, and you can edit it by clicking on the three dots. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.